Good Monday morning, everyone. We're keeping an eye on spots farther south. It looks like Olympia right now, where we are under a winter weather advisory. Not really seeing a whole lot of impacts from any winter weather at all. Temperatures right now in Olympia currently sitting above the freezing point. So it's still going to be a watch and see game as we go throughout the next few hours. But it's only going to be the next few hours that we have that opportunity, as the system is starting to work its way through southern parts of Washington and heading into northern Oregon. You can see the moisture. There's quite a bit of it out there, but a lot of it's extremely light. As we zoom into some of it right here, you can see closer to Issaquah, more of those duller looking whites showing up, or more of the grays kind of looking. We are seeing maybe some light snowflakes mixing in with some of the rain there, and then the lighter greens you're noticing here across King County and heading a little farther to the south, noticing some darker greens. Generally, though, still pretty light precipitation. So more of light rain as we go on into those parts. And then we go farther south of that, we can tell that around I-5 and going down into Grand Mound and around Chehalis, where those are the areas that we're still seeing under a winter weather advisory, that we are currently just noticing rain as temperatures slightly stay above that freezing point. A little farther towards the east, though, higher country heading closer to Yelm, maybe some areas of light rain and snow. Eatonville, possibly as you get closer to more of Greenwater, I think that's a better chance of seeing some of that snow mixing in, or maybe just all light snow here into the morning. But the farther south you go, the heavier the precipitation is. That's dragging down a little more of that colder air from the upper parts of the atmosphere, and that's why we are seeing a lot more of those bright whites showing up south of Kelso, heading down I-5 and heading closer to Portland, Oregon. But all of this is going to be moving on through, and as it does so, we are going to keep an eye out for that small chance still of the winter weather here across parts of the lowlands for Hood Canal, southwest interior, and for interior Grays Harbor County, Mason County, and Thurston County. And that's if we are going to see anything as far as accumulations, 1 to 3 inches. That's just about it. Higher country as you go into the mountains, Olympics, then heading into the southwestern slopes of the Cascades, northeastern slopes, an additional 3 to 6 inches here as we go throughout the morning, and then into the afternoon and evening. We still have a lot of moisture being rammed up here across the southeastern slope of the Cascades. So that's where we expect to see the highest amounts of snow into the mountains, between 12 to 18 inches ahead for there. Here are the temperatures: 37 in Shelton. Right now in Tacoma, we're sitting at 37. Oak Harbor, 39, 34, and Mount Vernon, all of those temperatures above freezing, except in Arlington, where we don't really have as much of the moisture in place. Here we go into the day. You'll see that this will start to sink southward and make its way out of here. So again, next few hours are going to be key if we are going to see any accumulations with this, but your morning commute shouldn't be impacted all that much. We'll go on into the rest of the day, seeing areas of showers and sun breaks by tonight and heading into the day tomorrow. Check this out. We still have a little more of that lingering moisture around, so that is going to give us that small opportunity of seeing maybe a few snowflakes here and there for the next couple of mornings. As far as the mountains, we do expect to see quite a bit, and it looks like the South Cascades will be the winner, as we'll get between about 1 foot to 1.5 feet of snow as we go throughout Wednesday afternoon and into Wednesday evening. No big deal as far as the snow icons on here. Again, anything that does fall probably will not accumulate. Temperatures staying chilly during the afternoons, cold during the mornings in the 30s, a slight bump in temperatures as we head closer to Easter this Sunday.